Meanwhile.
Yeah. Come quickly. Yeah, this is our adopted. Everybody is adopted. Oh. Mm.
2 hours later.
Okay. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Joy from Art of Joy. And I just finished my QAQC report and kakasend ko lang doon sa aming office. And I was about to also do my live streaming, and unfortunately I was not able to do that kasi I realized ang dami ko ng videos sa aking CP na kailangan ko na i-clear up. And while doing that, I saw some of my previous video na nakakatuwa. And some of it, yung nakaka-intimidate. Kasi I saw a cut in our site. And it's my first time to see such cat's reaction na nakakatakot siya. And I have decided to share it to you para damay-damay na. Alam niyo na rin. Parang makita niyo yung yung reaction niya. I always a cat lover, pero meron nga akong adopted dito, pero iba talaga yung reaction niya nung nakita niya ako dun sa site. Very amazing. Watch out for it. I-upload ko yun. Bago ka pa lang dito sa akin channel, you might want to subscribe and hit that notification. Notified kayo ng aking mga new videos, and I want to thank all of you, my supporters, for supporting my art channel. And finally, monetize na rin tayo. Thank God. Thanks everyone. God bless. Stay safe. Gusto ko nakapagin may pusa na po sa aming site. What are you doing here? You're not safe here! You don't even have a helmet! Oh my god! What are you doing? Oh my god, she's looking at me. What the heck? What are you doing? Oh my god, this is so sad.
Come on.
Oh my god. I'm very scared, okay? You're making me scared.
A few moments later.
Don't worry, I won't report you to our safety officer. And we won't cut your money.
Denied.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, it likes you a lot. Hi, Auntie. Hello po. She's looking for you, Raj. Tambok.